Good morning, children. Today we are going to do another comprehension. Yesterday we had done one comprehension of the birds. Passage is given. Reading at the passage. Exercise is given below. You have to solve the exercise. After the passage is completely read, then we have to solve the exercise. So this is also the same way. Today we are going to do a new passage, a new comprehension, and it is about animals. Wow! So you can see animals over here. Cow is there, hens are there, chicks are there, goats are there. It is a small passage, a small story about Uncle Titan's farm. There is an uncle whose name is Titan, and he is having his farm. And his farm, which type of animals are living with him? Domestic, cow, goats, hens. You can see over here, cow, goats and hens are there. So we'll read the passage. Uncle Titan lives on a farm. Sometimes I go to live with him. Everything is different in a farm. There are so many animals, cow, goats and hens. I like the hens. I give them food. They run after me. They give the best eggs. So here the child is sharing his experience about his uncle's farm. That is, the child's uncle is having a farm. And it is a Titan's farm, and over here you can see, we'll read the passage again. Uncle Titan's farm. Sometimes I go to live with him. What over the child is saying, he goes to live with him. Everything is different in a farm. Everything is different in a farm. There are so many animals. There are so many animals. Cows, goats and hens. How many animals? Cow, goats and hens. I like the hens. I give them food. Over here the child likes the hens. Give them food. They run after me. What do? They run after me. And what do hen give? The hen give the best eggs. Now take the best answers. Uncle Titan lives in a village on a farm with us. So what is the correct answer? See over here what it says. Uncle Titan lives in a farm. On a farm. So we'll put a tick on a farm. B. I like the hens. The answer is over here. I like the hens. So we'll read the hens, the chickens, the goats. So what is the correct answer? The hens. C number. I feed 1. All the animals. 2. The hens. 3. No animals. So over here what it says? I give them food. So I feed the hens. What is the correct answer? The hens. D number. The hen gives the best eggs. No eggs. Eggs only for chicks. So what is the correct answer? They give best eggs. So we'll put a tick on the best eggs. So children, did you find this exercise very short and sweet? And it is very easy also. Just you have to read this full passage properly, and you have to do this exercise which is given over here. In the passage only the exercise is linked to it. From the passage only you will get the answers. But before solving the passage, before solving the question answers or choose the correct, take the best answer, what is important? The important is to read the answer. What is important? To read the passage first. You will read the passage first, then only you will be able to give the answers. Okay, children. So, I hope you have understood the passage. Complete this passage in your grammar textbook only with neat and good handwriting.